What you doing, babe? Where are we at?
We're in Louisiana.
Louisiana. Yep. North of New Orleans. And we're doing a favor for somebody. We're going to run a motorcycle park from New Orleans to Atlanta. And as like payment for that, this guy, he's really cool. We just met him yesterday, actually in Houston, and then met him here, and he brought us shrimp. Well, shrimp. Yeah, this is like, I feel like food is like
It's
money.
Like communication.
Yeah, it's definitely an affection device here in Louisiana. Let's take a look at what we got.
Okay.
Okay, so keep in mind we are not Southerners. So we do like Cajun food. There is corn and potatoes, which are super amazing. They're all spicy. And these guys,
Yeah.
shrimp.
Which I love. These have heads.
They have heads on them. So we are uncultured swines. We've never eaten shrimps with the heads on them. This is part of traveling. We get to try new things. This shrimp costs a lot of money. I saw the price tag on them.
So we have to.
They weren't cheap, but I'm sure they're going to be great. I'm actually excited to try them, despite the fact that they are, in fact, looking at us, judging us right now.
So we had to watch a YouTube video to find out how to dehead the shrimp.
Yes.
And peel them.
So we will also give instructions, I guess, while we go.
I guess so. So we're gonna videotape.
All right. So I got some land sharks. You can see we are at a gas station, just north of New Orleans. And hey, what better place to try this? All right. I have a feeling we're going to need lots of paper towels.
Yeah.
Agreed?
Yes.
To our Louisiana friends. Okay. Mm. Carter, go ahead and pull the keys out of the ignition so I don't get a DUI.
Yep. Here I go.
I'm up first. It's okay.
Okay.
I don't need to have a conversation with him.
All right.
See, he's got ice, which have been broiled or something. Hey guys, eat it. Come here.
Come here.
Come here and meet my new. Come meet my new friend. Your dad and I have new friends. Should we name them?
Don't eat them.
Don't eat them. They're already dead.
Eat them.
If we don't eat them, they will have died in vain.
Yeah.
Don't eat them.
Okay.
Don't eat them in front of me, at least.
Well, then go away.
Alright, leave me alone.
All right, ready? So
Okay,
the first
so-
thing you're supposed to do is take the head off.
Yeah. So you grab them here and you twist, right?
Here.
Right behind the head. Twist.
Twist.
Oh, it's crunchy.
Oh, God.
It's got good crunch.
Oh God. Okay. Head.
Okay, we'll put those.
Don't say he's crunchy.
And then, and then you get your thumbnail down between the legs and just kind of rip the shell apart somehow.
Oh.
You broke it. It's broken now. you desecrated him.
Wait, he was already dead.
He was already
I
dead.
didn't peel it properly though.
No, I'm having trouble here. Oh, jeez.
Supposed to peel this thing out. It's the Edith. Make it worse.
I think so. This is embarrassing because I know Southern people are like, y'all are the worst.
Cheers.
Ooh. Don't like it? Well, so we tried.
We tried. How was yours?
Potato. Not bad. So,
No.
out of a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give the crop or the shrimp boil?
Me personally?
Yeah.
The shrimp itself?
Yeah.
Like 3.
3.
Like I would eat it if I was dying.
Wow.
Huh?
But I'm not.
Well, I'm not a big seafood guy, but I will give it a 7 because it's way better than I thought it would be. No? All right, look. So, see right here?
Yeah.
So he's got 6 body parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
Yeah.
Right ahead of that, all that's his head. Okay, so we grab there, and just twist.
Oh, God, that's crunchy.
crunch. You want a bite? Here.
Not in a shell.
No, not in the shell. Meat.
Is it good?
Huh?
Yeah, spicy.
It's a little spicy, which I think is great.
I'm gonna go get my water.
Yeah, water's a good idea with this.
I grab it and rip it out of his
No, don't.
skull.
Wow, you went from super cute and cuddly to evil. Just evil. That was a little bit. That was scary. Okay, no, stop that. Weird me out. Okay, grab it, rip his head off. Don't rip his antenna off, but rip his head off.
I don't like the texture.
Look, it's okay. Once
I
you
don't
grab,
like
look,
the texture.
grab his head, right there.
I don't want to grab his head.
Uh-huh.
I'll grab everything but the head.
All right, you want me to pop the head off?
Yes, please.
All right, just pinch here and twist.
Yep.
Ta-da.
Can I now rip his
Yep.
antennas out?
No, he's
Those
gone.
are legs. Those aren't antennas, those are legs.
All right, but you
they're
gotta take
so
the whole.
fluffy.
They're not fluffy.
They do have some little hairs on them or whatever. So, all right,
Touch
now
me.
you got to get your finger in there and you grab the shell and you got to rip it all off.
Okay.
Okay, use both hands. No, down here in between the legs.
No, please.
Okay.
See.
Okay. Peel it back. Make sure she's doing a better job.
Oh God! Did I rip his legs off?
Yep, you got to get his legs off. So the third segment, the first three segments, 1, 2, 3, all those come off.
Always.
No, this you got to take the shell off of that segment there.
Why?
Because that's the other edible one. And then that'll allow you to pull his legs off too. Okay, now grab his legs and just whoosh, pull all his legs off. Just grab them all at once.
So squidgy.
See, and then the shell comes off with it. Now you got
rip
one.
his tail off.
Okay, yep. So grab, whoops,
Two.
grab here, and then wiggle grab the meat.
Yeah.
See, that's the shell.
Oh.
The meat's right here. So grab the shell, and then wiggle it, and twist it out. Twist the meat out. Okay, you left a piece in there, but that's okay. And then you can eat that.
What should I do it?
Eat whatever. Eat the whole thing. Okay, so turns out I like this a lot more than I thought I would. Tasha, not so much. Actually thought it would be the opposite because she eats seafood every now and then. I really don't. The corn is terrific. We love the corn. Potatoes, also good. Shrimp, mixed reactions. So I'm probably going to eat a lot of these,
Good. I'm gonna.
or a number of them. And then,
find something else.
yeah. And we have friends too that will probably love this stuff at the track. We're going to keep driving towards Road Atlanta, but we thought we'd take a moment and share this special little adventure with everybody. Good job, man. Good try.
I'll try.
We'll see you all in the next state when we try some kind of crazy food.
Oh, no, that is not a thing.
This
We're
is
not
gonna be a
doing that.
thing now. This
No,
is gonna
we're
be
not
a
doing
thing now.
that. No,
I think we have to keep it going. The people
No.
love it.
It didn't even go for me.